We just anchored here in Friday Bay, very beautiful as you can tell. We're close to Palairos. Palairos is there in fact. So just having some time off with the missus. But as you can see, we have a little bit of a windlass problem. So this happened and that's not supposed to happen. So I'm taking it apart. As you can tell, here's the shaft, there's the cylinder. And, I'm taking it apart. I think I might be able to fix it. So fingers crossed, right?
So it's fixed.
Yay!
Hey! Windlass is fixed. We don't have to go back to Palairos. Woo! So what was the problem?
The axle shot out, and this counter nut shot out actually. So this cylinder part, which is quite critical, was just loose, and so the shaft was rotating inside the cylinder part. But we took it apart, tightened this bolt up, put this one back together, which was pretty difficult because it has to catch in these little Tranquil. Yeah, I'll subtitle that.
Yeah.
But it's good now. I'm just gonna tighten it up, give it another push just to be sure, and we can have a beer.
Woo! Yay!
Friday Bay.
Friday.
We're skinny dipping, so I won't put the camera down on the water for the moment. Yeah. You need a special subscription for that. Look at this. And what time is it anyway? The sun's about to set.
No.
No, it's not actually.
No, it's
I'm mistaken. It's just beautiful lights now. There's Mutiny. We got a long line to shore as well. Look at this nice little bay.
Now she's tight.
Oh yeah.
I look too.
Look at this. And we got this bay all for ourselves. Yeah. Just block your boobies here, yeah?
Yeah.
Boobies blocked?
Yeah, boobies blocked.
Okay, good. And nobody ever comes here. We got this as a tip from Bobby and Lisa. They said you really should check this out. Yeah. It's kind of a secret place.
Thanks, guys.
Oh, thanks a lot, guys. Yeah, I mean, this is a place. This is a very romantic place to snuggle and cuddle. So we were actually on the way to Nidri, and we decided to just chill out here for God knows how long. Yeah, maybe we'll go tomorrow. We'll see.
Need some food. We decided to stretch the legs a bit because we spent the whole day on the boat yesterday. Well, we went off, but just for an hour. So.
And the day before.
Yeah, so.
And the day before.
We need to stretch our legs, exactly.
And the day before that.
And this is a little mountain in, well, little hill in
Tranquil Bay.
Tranquil Bay that we are walking on. And it's pretty nice, and I'll show you a view. Let me check. Moet ik dan alweer installen?
Dat kan niet als je filmt. Ik kan alleen voor.
Tranquil Bay.
Looksy daisy. Pretty nice, huh? We're not there yet. And in the distance you see the small tiny island of Sparta and the mysterious island of Scorpio. Boats! Some boats over there. Some boats. There's a boat. There's a boat coming in. There's a boat coming out. It's a sailboat. Okay. Sailing vessel. Boats. Lots of boats. Boats! Did I mention boats? I'm back at the kayak. Oh. conclude your trip. Hello, and look what we found on our way to Kalamos. Actually, this is part of Kalamos, but we were planning on going further north. But Lotte spotted this beautiful little anchorage, so we decided to stop and have a look. So, nice. Here we are.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Very nice.
Want to take a look at the cave?
Yes. Here we are making dinner. Some nice cod and cutlery, plates, a hungry cat, and a naked chick. Heading into Astakos to refuel on water and liquor.
Liquor, water, yeah, in that following order, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, priorities, right? And also some food, and that's it.
And we're going to park bows 2 on the mole. So in about a few minutes from now, so I'll make sure to get the camera in position so you might have a sneak peek how Lotte does her acrobatic tricks about.
Yeah, hopefully I won't get stage fright and
Yeah, we'll see what happens. Heel benieuwd naar de foto's. Hey, water is hier scheef.
Ja, ik zie het. Ik weet niet.
Ferry, ja. Ferry zal hier komen staan, denk ik.
Ja.
Hi. So I couldn't show you how Lotte was very ninja-like anchoring or tying up Mutiny on the quay. What happened was I pressed the wrong button and story of my life. So we were there and then it got really choppy and our catch anchor started dragging because we always want to moor up bows too. So our catch anchor started dragging. Probably because we don't have a lot of chain out. We have about 1.5 meters chain out before the line starts. So catch, anchor, chain, line. The chain part should be longer. So we're going to work on that. So we had to move emergency wise. That's why I'm soaking wet, which is nice. It's August. Fuck it. And so we had to move and we chose this lovely Anchorage. And we went bows too, so what we did, stern too, sorry. What we did is dropped anchor, and then, that's why I'm wet, got these long lines out. So a line here, astern, and a line here on port side as well. So you see, so we have 2 lines up here coming to the boat, and of course our main anchor going out there. So we have like a Y shaped structure, which is quite solid, especially now because, as always, you moor up in the wind. As soon as you moored up, the wind dies, which is kind of a Murphy's law, which is pretty exciting. And we're secure now, we're safe. Now the only thing we have to do is, luckily we filled up on water, so we got that covered, so we can last for another 2 weeks. Yeah, but we need food and liquor, so that will be over there. So now we're gonna have to find a way through the forest down there. Yes.
Oh boy, you missed that, didn't you?